to Cincinnati what In-N-Out Burger is to California. People grew up on it, they're obsessed with it to this day. So when in Cincinnati, we gotta check out the chili. So because it's our first time at Skyline Chili, we had to order one of everything. All right, time to put this place to the test. And my stomach.
The ingredients for the chili, to be honest with you, I couldn't tell you. Because when we bought our franchise, they told us, you'll never figure it out. I was told one person knows half and the other person knows the other half, and they don't know each other.
I just like the food, I like the atmosphere, it's a place to eat. I've been coming to Skyline most of my life.
I like to come here because their food's great and it's always fun to come here.
People like coming in all the time because they know everybody. Pretty much everybody comes in at lunchtime. The waitresses know their orders before they even sit down.
We come here like twice a week. This is our after-school hangout.
The reason for me to own a Skyline Chili is because it's fun. I mean, it's a remarkable experience to bring the customers in. They're like family. I mean, our employees are great.
I could even take some back to New York with me.